It's taking a video.
Just smile.
Bastard.
You're gonna try it again.
I wonder if this little thing here can go in here and hook it. Yeah, I think so. This little thing here ain't worth it. So much for that.
Ah, you go, Charlie. Yes!
Let's see what our loot is.
Motherfucker.
Let's see what our loot is. Look at that loot. All that loot.
I can't even see it.
Here, film me get all this loot. Break it in. Mine. I'm not cleaning all this metal out. Oh shit. This shit's nasty. Look at all them coins. Look at all that.
It is 3:30
What is that gear?
on a Thursday. Finally got there to say.
Tell you what.
I can take the thing off the vacuum and suck it up through the hose.
I can bring my magnet back. I don't have a magnet that big. Go ahead and turn that off.